Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you this beautiful smoky halo eye. It is cool toned, it is fabulous. I'm in love with this look. It's using SheGlam's Live to Roam palette, which is absolutely stunning and only like $7 and sometimes under that on Shein.com. And I have a couple other things from that collection as well. So to get started, we're using the NYX Ultimate Eyeshadow Primer to prime our lids. And of course, we're using the SheGlam Live to Roam eyeshadow palette. Look how beautiful this neutral palette is. I'm using Earth Eyes. And this is just a really pretty light tan shade. And this applies so buttery and easy to the eyes. They build up really nicely. They blend effortlessly. Like, I think everyone wants to see Shein and there's like, that makeup can't be good. But the SheGlam stuff is fantastic. Here I'm just showing you that there's some fallout, some kick up in the pan. They're all just a little powdery. Next up, I'm taking Canyon Trail. And I'm going to take this in the inner corner and the outer corner. And once again, these blend so seamlessly together. I do quite a bit of blending in this video. Note the hand placement there. It's in the middle of the brush, so I have more control for patting and pressing and building up the shade. If I was working in the crease, my hand would have been more towards the end of the handle. And I want to address too that I know you can hear the neighbor weed eating, but this is the only time I have to do the voiceover. So it's either voiceover or music in this video. And I want to do a voiceover even if you can hear the weed eater. So we're trucking on. So I'm going to go in and I'm blending the crease shade with the inner and outer corner shades. I love halo eyes. I feel like they are so easy to achieve and there's not a lot of work to them and they're effortlessly. So next up, Shining Horizon, the beautiful shimmery vanilla shade. It's absolutely stunning. I'm applying it with my finger to the center of the lid, and I will go over that a few times to build it up. It's so beautiful and eye-catching. Like, my husband thought I had glitter on my eyes. That's how beautiful this shade is. And I'm going to blend that with the crease and the inner and outer corner. And every time you see me tap off my brush, it means I did pick up an additional little bit of shadow. So I'm taking Sandcastle, and this is a matte basic kind of vanilla shade or bone shade for my highlight, and I'm using that to highlight under the brow and blend my crease down a bit. Then I will take a little bit of the crease shade I used, blend that with the brow bone, and just look how seamless this blend is. Ooh, I love it. And I'm taking the brown shade we used in the inner and outer corner on my lower lash line. And then I'm taking the SheGlam Cosmic Stream highlighter, and I'm using that as my inner corner highlight. Like I said, these SheGlam products are fantastic. Like, they're so good. AOA Studio Gel Eyeliner and Seize the Day, and I'm using the SheGlam Live to Roam eyeliner, and look how pigmented this nude eyeliner is. I hope that they're still available on the website. It's amazing. These lashes are also from Shein, and I love them as well. The glue is from AOA Studio, and also Shop Miss A. That's where all the AOA Studio stuff comes from. Fantastic. And the lashes are super easy to apply. They're gorgeous. And this is Benefit Roller Lash to mesh my real lashes with my false lashes. And for lips, we're using the Live to Roam. Well, first I'm using the Maybelline Lipliner. I love this lip combo, by the way. SheGlam Live to Roam lip. This is a liquid lipstick, and this is in All Aboard. And how beautiful is this pinky nude shade? It's gorgeous. I love this makeup look. I hope you guys loved it as much as I do. Well, try it out for yourselves. I hope you found the video helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more SheGlam videos. I did order some more stuff. And don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Shein, SheGlam links and a product list. Thank you so much for watching.